Go.
Molly, I got your hoof. I got your hoof. Oh no, Ellie! Your hoof's back there. Want
I'm
your
not hip
hoof?
to this anymore.
Oh crap!
Wait, I might go.
It's so funny when she just dove under there. There she goes. Pretty fun. Look at her feet, Gary.
Well, Molly's or Ellie's in the way.
Molly, get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Did you get it? You didn't get it. Whoa! Get it! Get your hoof. Get it! Get it! Get it! Molly, get it! Molly, get it! Go get it! Get it! It's under there! Oh, it's under there! Go get it! You just get it. Commends me for everything. Get it, Molly. Y'all done?